Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Hunt Showdown. First, understand that Hunt Showdown is a unique blend of competitive first-person shooter and survival horror. You'll navigate a treacherous Louisiana bayou, hunting monstrous creatures while also fending off rival players. The goal is to banish a powerful boss and extract with its bounty, but beware, other hunters are always lurking. It's a high-stakes game where every decision matters. Offering intense, the core of Hunt Showdown revolves around the bounty hunt. You and your partner will scour the map for 3 clues, which reveal the location of a powerful boss monster. Once found, you must defeat and banish this creature, a process that takes about 20 seconds. This act, however, alerts every other hunter to your position. After collecting the bounty token, your final task is to reach an extraction point, all while defending against ambushes from rival teams. Teamwork is crucial for success in co-op play. Focus on collecting coins together, aiming for the grand total of 1 million. Strategically share power-ups like the Super Leaf or Fire Flower to overcome obstacles more easily. Always try to stay near your partner. If one player falls too far behind, they will automatically be bubbled and brought back to the other player, which can be helpful or a hindrance. Survival in the bayou depends heavily on your combat and tactical skills. Always prioritize sound. Listening for enemy movement or gunshots can give you a critical advantage. Use the environment for cover and concealment, and never rush blindly into unknown areas. Aiming for headshots is paramount, as most weapons can achieve a one-shot kill to the head. Effective communication and teamwork with your partner are absolutely essential for success, especially during intense firefights and boss encounters.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.